Okay guys, welcome back to the boat. Well, kind of the boat. We're going to do something a bit fun today, but we have to do it because I can't pick up the sheets anymore until I get this done. So today, Koopy, we're going to weld up the frame for the top of the trailer. So now we can pick up some materials. I haven't been able to pick up any of this honeycomb stuff or anything, foam core, for ages, since we got rid of the van. So Koopy's pretty excited, I'm excited. Let's weld it up and we can pick up some sheets. All right, so we've got a couple of bits that I've already cut up, little miter on them. Let's get them the same length at the other end, and then we'll cut the smaller bits. So the other week I came round and set this up for aluminium, and now she's watch the dog sits there and stares at the welding. Ready for aluminium welding now, so let's just make sure she's good for this thickness, and then we'll start welding up this frame. Alright. One of the most annoying things is it keeps bunching up. As soon as it gets a little bit of pressure behind it, it bunches up because it's so soft. Aluminium's so soft, the wire is. And it just goes, I'm going to bunch up now, and cause you problems. So when it bunches up like that, you've got to replace all the feed again in the liner every time, and it just takes the slightest little bump when you're welding to give it a little bit of back force, which is what happened just then, and that's what happens. And I've done it. It's welded on. There we go. I'm just going to give it a quick wire brush. But now we've got a solid rack. Nice and big, nice and flat. We've got a flat area. We can put the sheets back up here. Let's go get some sheets. Right, so I just picked up 2 of these sheets. Foam core. We've strapped it all down. The rack, she works great. She works beautifully. It's exactly what I wanted it for. Now the only problem was that as soon as I brought the sheets out here, the wind picked up, and they're really light, and they were flapping all over the place. So lucky we got them on.